At Menstrie farm in Menstrie, it's believed a record was broken in the early 1930s, with possibly the longest time served by an employee in not only Clackmannanshire, but Scotland as a whole. Margaret McAndrew Moffat served the tenants of the farm for over 80 years, working as a domestic servant, and she was still going strong in 1932, at the grand old age of 96. When she was a girl of 13, she began working on the farm, when she freed herself into the service of it in 1848. At the time she entered employment, Menstrie, also known simply as Mains Farm, stood on land belonging to the Menstrie estate, then owned by George Abercrombie of the nearby Airthry estate. It was a large farmsteading with an array of buildings including the two-storey farmhouse, where much of Margaret's work was carried out. The farm was tenanted by Thomas Keir, and later went on to be tenanted by John Dawson around 1885. Between 1889 and 1892, boundary changes took place in Clackmannanshire. At this time, the proprietor of the farm was Donald Graham of Airthry. In 1899, Robert Sheffield took over ownership, although he returned the farm to George Abercrombie in 1905. The Dawsons remained tenants until the early 1930s, when the Gallatleys took over. John Gallatley and his brother James became co-tenants, and in 1947 bought the farm outright. James became sole owner in 1960, but that was long after Margaret had died. Throughout her time working there, she very rarely had any time off, preferring to spend her days being useful, cleaning the farmhouse and doing any chores asked of her around the farm itself. The only time she was unable to carry out her tasks was when she was ill, but this seems to have been a rare occurrence. In January 1932, her employers, the Gallatleys, a family she'd known since she was a girl, spoke with her, suggesting it was time for her to take things a little easier. After all, she was 96, but she declined, stating she was doing her bit for the farmhouse. The old lady was still fit for her age and only suffered from slight deafness. She could also still read without using glasses, so felt able to continue her work, and did so until she died. She was known by the locals as the Old Maid of Menstrie, a name which stuck. She is thought to be the longest-serving employee in the history of Clackmannanshire, if not Scotland. She died on 4th February 1933, in her 97th year, having been a farm servant for 86 years. She never married. If you enjoyed this episode of Scotland's History, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.